Ever walk into a clean home and feel like you just entered a spa that also judges your life choices? Yeah, clean homes have secrets, and today I'm spilling them. Warning, your couch might feel personally attacked by the end of this. Clean homes don't wait for motivation. First thing, clean homes don't wait for motivation. Motivation is that flaky friend who says, I'll help you move your couch, and then disappears into a Netflix black hole. Clean homes don't care. They have routines. They show up with vacuum in hand, even if their brain is screaming, I'm not a morning person. Their vacuum is like a tiny war hero, and crumbs, they don't stand a chance. They make their beds like pros. Step one in every clean home: beds are made, not because they care about Pinterest, but because a made bed immediately makes the room look like someone has their life together. Bonus: if your bed is made, you can lie on it later and pretend your life is organized while binge watching cartoons in peace. Clean homes attack clutter daily. Clutter is like that distant relative who overstays their welcome. One day it's a magazine, the next day it's a small landfill. Clean homes don't let it happen. They attack clutter daily. They sort mail the second it enters the door instead of letting it plot against them like tiny paper ninjas. They have a place for everything. Ever notice clean homes have everything in its place? Keys, remote, socks, they're all in designated zones. This isn't magic, it's strategic laziness. Their socks even attend meetings about where they'll live for the next week. And guess what? The socks actually show up on time. Clean homes do small daily wins. Here's the secret sauce. Clean homes aren't waiting for a cleaning marathon. They do tiny tasks daily. A swipe here, a wash there. By the end of the week, it looks like a miracle happened. It's like sprinkling fairy dust on chaos and calling it adulting. They embrace the 1 minute rule. Clean homes follow the 1 minute rule. If it takes less than a minute, do it now. Dirty plate in the sink, 1 minute. Socks on the floor, 1 minute. Procrastination, nope, it's evicted. Even their dog follows this rule. Kind of, mostly. Clean homes make cleaning funnish. Here's a big one: they make cleaning slightly fun. Music, silly dance moves, talking to the vacuum, whatever works. Sometimes they choreograph a full dance number with a broom. Imagine dancing with the stars, but the stars are dust bunnies and regret. Clean homes don't fear maintenance. Maintenance is their superpower. They fix leaks, wipe spills, and replace light bulbs before it's dramatic. Their light bulbs don't die a heroic death in the dark. They quietly retire with dignity. They reward themselves. Finally, clean homes reward themselves. A clean home doesn't just stare at cleanliness smugly. They celebrate with coffee, snacks, or a guilty Netflix binge. They even high five themselves while vacuuming, silently to avoid scaring the dust. So, if you want your home to feel like it's whispering, you've got this, human, start small, start daily, and treat cleaning like a tiny, sarcastic competition with your own mess. Hit that subscribe button for more tips, life hacks, and sarcastic wisdom. Your home and your socks will thank you.